Hello everyone! Wing here and welcome sa aking mini vlog and of course welcome sa England. And for today's vlog, we're going to Mercedes-Benz World just to look around and to see the cars. And dito na naman tayo sa voiceover. Kay Nana po'y nagpa-music, so I need to be careful sa mga music background and sa mga radio kay sayang ang atong kanang hago sa pag-vlog tapos CPR. So, I need to be careful. Mauna ni nga, nag-voice over na pod ko and then magsawa na pod mo sa akong tingog nga murag baki or murag kanang miit nga naipit or unsa ba. So, kamo na ang mag-adjust. Alangan ako pa ang mag-adjust sa voice over. No? So, welcome anyway. Welcome sa aking vlog. And I think hapit na mi sa Mercedes-Benz World kay mao man ihang palatandaan kay sige na makug-anhi. So ning palatandaan pag muanha na sa Tisco dapit is hapit na siya. So konting tiis na lang mga bestie, keep tune in, makita nyo na ang Mercedes World. Okay.
Move that body. 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 Move that body.
Here it comes mga besties. So ito na yun. So welcome to Mercedes World. So ito na yun siya. Ayan. So pag nakita nyo yung big building, so ayan na siya. And then yung area na yan is dyan pwede mag-drive, no? Pero expensive ang bayad. Expensive talaga siya. So nag-drive ako dito. Dati is nagbayad yung husband ko ng I think 75 pound binayad niya. Nag-drive ako dyan. So, yeah, pwede mag-drive dito but may may payment. So, hindi free. So, lahat may bayad. And yan naman yung sa kabilang building is hotel siya. Windy and cold. Anyway, ang hangin ay nagdala ng lamig. So, ayan, malamig. So, let's go inside and then maglakaw-lakaw na tayo and then magtanaw-tanaw sa loob. Mga cars. Picture muna dito. The bistro in there, which is the coffee shop. So, you can do coffee, you can have your lunch. Coffee and watch the car. So, ito yung nabanggit ko earlier na pwede ka mag-drive dyan for experience but may bayad siya, which is expensive ang bayad. So, nandito kami sa taas. So, dito kami kaupo. Pwede rin sa baba, no? Doon, no? Sa baba. Pwede rin doon. Kaya lang, mahangin nga ngayon, tapos malamig. So, dito lang muna kami sa, sa loob. So, just look around. And let's have a look around sa mga cars, patingin-tingin, di naman makabili. So yung asawa ko mahilig sa sa Mercedes. So marami din siyang mga cars na dumaan sa kanyang mga kamay noon. And then, let's go sa second floor naman. So, sa second floor, andun yung mga F1 cars. So, tignan natin yung mga, mga itsura ng mga F1 cars. Yung mga ginagamit sa pagre-racing. So, ayan, pababa na ang ating elevator. Ang ganda ng red car, oh. Open! And we're here sa second floor. So, ito mga bestie, yung F1 car na ito ay sample lang yan pag hindi siya naka-assemble. So, ayan, nakahiwala yung mga pyesa niya. Ang daming pyesa, no? Grabe. Diyos ko. Oh, ang liliit pang mostly, ang liliit. Grabe. Tapos yung sa floor naman, nakasulat yung niya, mga detalye niya. Ayan. So, yung mga information niya or details niya. So, kayo na, bahala, magbasa. At masyadong na-miss ako dito sa car na ito. Sa isang car lang, ganyan karami ang pyesa niya. Oh my God. Tignan nyo naman kung gaano karami ang pyesa niya. Try na ako umupo dyan dati sa loob niyan. Oh my God. Believe me or not, hindi ako makikita. At saka ang lalim pala niyan. Nung nag-try ako niyan last time, wala, ewan ko kung may vlog ako yun. Basta nag-try na akong umupo dun sa driver seat. Tayo, akala ko ganyan lang siya. Nung nag-try ako, oh my God, sobrang na-amaze ako. Kaya ako makatayo pagbalik. And then, ang lalim niyan. Tapos yung paa mo is, di ba nakaupo ka dyan. Tapos yung paa mo is doon. Yung paa mo. Tapos hindi na ako makatayo. Hi! Hello! Hello! Kai, mahangin sa labas. So, mayroon din coffee shop na pwede umupo sa labas but it's mahangin. So, dito na lang kami sa loob kaya baka palirin ako sa kanya. Mapalit ko. Dali na, Dong! Dong! Dali na! So anyway, nangapi me. And then, hurot na akong pagkaon. Hello? Hello? Cappuccino. Then, hurot akong pagkaon. Ubus na yung food ko. Hindi, mag-coffee na lang ako. Dapat nagka-chocolate na ako. Nagsisi ako. Pili na ako ulit. So, karoon na ako manamig pangape is magtiwas may upuan ng libot-libot. And then, pag may kids ka, pwede rin sila maglaro dito. Ito tayo, mga adult. You have to pay £5. Ooh. They're electric. Oh, they're electric cars. And then nice pag summer dito, upo sa labas, having drinks. Okay, bye. See you. This car is so cool. Look at this. If I touch and I just wow, I'm going down. Oh my God. Wow, Jesus. Radio Gaga. churches. Punta tayo sa baba na nandun yung mga unang Mercedes-Benz. So I'm gonna show you yung mga pinakaunang Mercedes-Benz na binuild nila. So nandito siya. Ito yung pinakauna.
Basically, I'm now ready to start the car. But bear in mind, a 140-year-old car. I think what's happened in 140 years,
Ito yung pinaka.
you guys were studying at school, is that would stay down for that short period of time and then drive a spark to the carburettor where the fuel sits. And then, poof, we have ignition. And it's a single cylinder here, about 900cc engine, but 0.75 horsepower. Now you, sir, may have a petrol lawnmower or generator that actually has more power than this. So it's not very powerful. Now, so this will keep going round and round and round and creating this noise. So I've started it. Now I want to drive it and get hold of my handle and bring that forward, and that engages this little clutch mechanism for this chain on the other side. So you think of chain-driven engines, you've driven BMW, you said, chain-driven engine, same philosophy here. So something had to start somewhere, and here's where it started. So then I realised I've got no brakes. So what I have to do, I now have to retard this way, and I have a slight braking mechanism. This would only go top speed 15 miles an hour anyway, so it's not going to be very, very fast, but the wheels are very thin. Solid rubber, no real brakes, you've got to be careful. Yeah? Now that's how it operates. The story that goes with it is Bertha Benz, the wife of Carl Benz, patented the car. Carl Benz didn't. She used her money to go to the patent office to make sure nobody could copy the motor car.
He created it on his own?
Yes. So he's the major engineer. Years later, 1888, she took it for a drive because, as we know, you can make something, but if you don't tell anybody about it, you're not going to be able to sell it. So she took it for a drive of 106 kilometres that was going to take 12 hours. Now you guys could sit on this. Do you think you could sit on there for 12 hours? Probably not, huh?
At dito nag-start ang lahat ng mga sasakyan ng Mercedes-Benz. And dito din nagtatapos ang vlog na ito. At salamat sa mga panonood nyo. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And see you sa next vlog. Thank you so much. And please follow sa mga hindi pa naka-follow and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys. Bye! Love ya!